Hi, I'm Benjamin. We're group 22783, and this past year we've developed a hydrogen storage system to store excess residential energy as hydrogen.
So the first component of our system is our water purification line, which takes input municipal tap water and purifies it into water that can be used in our electrolysis system. First, that water comes in, runs through sediment filtering and then a reverse osmosis filter. It then runs out through a mixed deionization bed, where we track pressure and can adjust flow rate before running up into our electrolyzer.
Deionized water will go through this line which connects to the PEM, and then the PEM will split the water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen will flow through this line, and oxygen will flow through this line.
After the PEM produces hydrogen, it runs into this line, which is pressurized. The hydrogen is then absorbed by this, which is a metal hydride battery. Inside of it is lanthanum pentanickel, a metal alloy that easily allows hydrogen to diffuse into it. We store the hydrogen by diffusing that hydrogen through the metal hydride matrix, which captures it, preventing it from escaping or leaking through the walls of the container.
So the frame of the system was built out of 80/20 aluminum extrusion using L brackets and various holes which are tapped into the extrusion. A lot of the components on the interior are mounted via 3D prints, including the fan mount here, the PEM electrolyzer mount here, and the deionization bed here.
One of the biggest safety risks when it comes to our system is hydrogen leaking out, and so in order to help contain it within the system so that it can be picked up by our hydrogen sensors, we're planning to put polycarbonate walls on the side to contain the hydrogen, and we also have a fan that will be continuously running on the bottom, so this will be constantly running air through the system to help vent out the hydrogen so there's not a buildup of hydrogen in a contained space. This is the project that we've worked on this past year in MSD, and just to give a few thanks, first we want to thank our main sponsor, Stroud, for contributing to our project.
We also like to thank Donnie for guiding us and for his mentorship.
And we'd like to thank you, the viewer, for watching.